good evening.
Good evening.
How do you feel that you're one of the favorite of the crowd here in the event?
Well, I'm definitely so grateful and so happy for all the love and support. It really means a lot to me. It makes my day, and it sure has made this pageant a lot of fun.
Did you know that the face of the year or face of the century they voted is a favor of you?
Oh, I did not know that. Well, that would be awesome. Is it? Oh, yeah, I did not know that.
Actually, they voted 20 people or pins to you, and then the Philippines has 15. So
Okay.
yeah. So are you thinking also that you're one of the what do you mean is another candidate for the Philippines since you have a Filipino blood?
Well, definitely, I'm Swedish Filipina, and I was born here as well, but I grew up in Sweden. And I'm just so happy for all the support and all the love, and everyone really taking care of me here and making me feel at home in my home away from home.
After this event, what's your plan? You're going back to Sweden or you're staying here in the Philippines?
Well, after the pageant, my family and I were going to be traveling, so we're going to go to Palawan, and we're also going to go to Vigan because that's where my Sakia family is from. So that's going to be a lot of fun. Yeah.
Last time we asked you about if you are planning to go in showbiz or here in the Philippines, are you still having that option for you?
Well, right now I'm focusing on the pageant, and whatever happens after the pageant happens. But of course, I would love to live in the Philippines. It's so beautiful here. Who wouldn't?
They were calling you right now, for sure.
Well, I don't know.
Oh my God, no, how, why is that?
Congratulations to her. My gosh.
Anyway, hoping that you're still having confidence for this particular pageant, and many Filipinos still supporting you as well.
Thank you so much for all the love and support. Of course, it feels amazing. I'm having so much fun, and I hope that everyone that's following the Miss Earth journey as well are enjoying it and enjoying following us and seeing what we're doing every day.
Okay. Thank you very much, Chloe.
Very much. Thank you so much.
Okay.